Good morning, rollers. We are on our way to Walmart, and I will tell you why. But I do have to pick up a few things just with groceries, just a few things. But it has to do with the kids. So because of all of this pandemic stuff, the grandparents came early to have the kids open up their gifts. And what did you get?
$105.
$105 in gift cards and in cash. And then Ezra, how much do you have?
70.
Now he also has a smaller gift card from our friend Amber from his baptism that he wants to spend. And so we're heading to Walmart to see what they can get with their monies. Let's see. I'm kind of nervous about what they're going to buy. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Even Jonas is looking at the Legos.
I'm just looking.
That's okay. I would prefer you buy Legos sometimes. Okay, so we just left Walmart and we can't wait to show you the things that the boys got, plus just the few items that I got in the grocery haul. Just a little bit. All right, so we're back, and before the boys start showing off what they bought and all their little goodies, I thought I'd show you really quick what I got, because there were things that I found at Walmart that I haven't found in a while. Like pumpkin, you guys. So I bought 4 of them. They were 87 cents. Of course I find them after Thanksgiving, but that's okay because we will eat pumpkin muffins while it's even cold. So it's just when it starts to warm up, I kind of take a break. Because I've been making so many French breads lately, I had to pick up another thing of flour. So this one is 10 pounds. That's my favorite flour. Also, we've been making a lot of cookies, so I picked up some sugar, more sugar for sure. I also have just some more minced onion. I'm noticing we're starting to get low. I think it's because I just added a little bit of onion to a lot of my dishes. Another thing that I picked up were some more butter. Can you believe I used all of the butter from Costco? That was just like not even 2 weeks ago. That is just obviously I made a lot of cookies and sugar cookies, and that takes a lot of butter. Picked up Paul's favorite, some mayo. It's just for my tuna sandwiches. I'm getting a little low. But I did buy something for Paul. I found one of these gluten-free flours. These are only like $3. So it's kind of funny because this one was the last one on the shelf, like behind everything, and it was on the top shelf. So we couldn't even use it. So I had to use something to kind of scrape it out. But these ones are not as easy to find, so for especially the price. I picked up some honey because I'm going to be making some cookies, you guys, with this honey. So excited. Picked up some more broccoli so we can, I used the rest of my broccoli for another meal. So we're going to have some broccoli cheddar soup over potatoes this week. And I picked up some French fried onions. These are so good on chicken casseroles. Yum. It's like the specialty crunch on the top. Last but not least, I just picked up some of these little treat drinks for the kids. I just let them all each pick a flavor. So let's check out what the boys got. We'll start with Jonas. All right, Jonas, show us what you got.
I got a skateboard.
Ooh, a skateboard.
And a PS gift card.
All right.
And minifigure.
A minifigure. Cool. Now the minifigure's for you? Who's it for?
Ezra.
Aw, isn't that so sweet? I mean, they went shopping together. Like, how could he have hid that? Okay, so now it's Ezra's turn to show you what he got.
Thanks, Charles, for the Lego minifigure.
That was nice of him, huh?
Yeah. So, these are, I'm going to use these a lot, like a lot.
So are they all the same color Legos in there?
Well,
Like those are all blue?
no, these aren't all blue. There's like light blue.
But there's shades of that color? Yeah. And then what about the green one? Same thing?
Yeah. So it's like you can come with an apple, some brown stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, I love that. Okay.
A Lego mini figure.
Okay.
This wasn't from Jonas. I bought it.
You bought that one? Okay.
And some Lego sets.
Ooh, is that one? Okay. Let's see that one. That one is like an underwater.
Yeah.
And why did you like that one so much?
Because it came with these, because I collect those, and I really like the hammerhead shark.
The hammerhead shark.
It
Nice.
looks really cool. And you gotta have gum.
Gotta have gum.
And you have to have a Star Wars Lego set.
Oh, are you a fan of Star Wars Legos?
Yeah, I like the Mandalorian.
Yeah, that's a good show. You guys really like that Mandalorian show, huh?
Yeah.
That's so fun. Let me see it again, the front. Do you think that would be a nice gift to give somebody who's 8 years old like you? Yeah, that's a good one. Are you so happy that your grandma and grandpa gave you some monies?
Yeah.
And that Amber too, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you want to tell them?
Thank you.
Aww.
I have Dumbledore, Harry Potter.
Those are the twin brothers.
Yeah. And I have him. And I have her.
All right, let's start putting some of these together. Which one are you going to do first?
This one.
Let's do
I'm
it.
excited.
Okay, there's the look of somebody who just completed his first
Lego set.
Yeah.
I saw this one. Yeah.
Let's take a look.
This is how it's supposed to be posed.
Yeah. So these are all the Star Wars guys.
Yeah, they're like Mandalorians, a part of the Mandalorian.
Well, this didn't take you very long to put these together.
Only the people did. They took me very long because I had to go run upstairs because I didn't know how to make those guns. These guns right here. So I'm like, I need
So
to
yeah,
them.
you needed pieces upstairs.
Yeah, I just used some.
Which one's your favorite one?
Mostly I like this one.
What's that one? Is that a Mandalorian?
Yeah, that's all of these are Mandalorian.
Oh, these are all different kinds of Mandalorian.
But I like this one the most. That one looks cool.
Well, good job.
Thank you.
Woo woo. Wasn't that so fun to see what the boys bought with their money? I know that they love having little special things from their grandparents and a little special treat from my friend Amber. That was amazing. So thanks so much to them. We just love them very much. So I'm so grateful to all of you rollers who have watched the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. We are so grateful to all of you. We wish you a Merry Christmas, and we can't wait to see what the new year will bring. And have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around because you just never know what we'll be rolling out next. Bye.